Looking for the best photo scanners for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 photo scanners that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features and many users. And if you can't find a photo scanners that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended photo scanners. Number 1 on the list is Plustek ePhoto Z300. For those who are looking to do their scanning on a budget, we'd recommend the Plustek ePhoto Z300 as an excellent starting point. With a scanning resolution of 600 pi, it's obviously not going to produce images as detailed as those digitized by the Epson Perfection V600. But if you don't need big, luxurious files and just want something that'll get physical images into a workable digital format, we think the Plustek ePhoto Z300 is a much better bet. Not least because it costs about a third of the price. Also, the Plustek ePhoto Z300 is on the small side for a scanner, which makes it much easier to store if you have minimal space at home. However, it is worth being aware that the scanner has some other limitations, the most pressing of which is probably the fact that you can't batch scan photos and need to feed them through one at a time. If you've got a big photo archive that needs digitizing, it may be worth shelling out a little more cash for a more efficient scanner. Otherwise, the Plustek ePhoto Z300 is an easy-to-use option that's perfect for budget scanning. Second on the list is Epson FastFoto FF680W. Anyone who has scanned a lot of photos will know that it is, in all honesty, an immensely tedious task. If you have a lot of photos and want to get them scanned as quickly as possible, then a good bet is the Epson FastFoto FF680W. As the name implies, this is a scanner built for speed. It can be loaded with 36 photos at a time for batch scanning, and it can manage a photo a second with the resolution set to 300 pi. This resolution will be fine for sharing images online, though it is definitely on the light side. The FastFoto FF680W does let you go up to 600 pi if you want to squeeze out a little more detail and don't mind a little less of that blistering speed. If you have boxes upon boxes of negatives taking up space in your home, then the FastFoto FF680W is a good choice for getting them digitized as quickly as possible. And remember, you can always rescan the best ones at a higher resolution. Number 3 on the list is Canon P208II. One of the main issues with photo scanners is their size and weight. Big, bulky, and designed to sit in an office or home studio, they're no good for scanning on the go. Fortunately, the Canon P20811 is designed with portability in mind. It's marketed towards business travelers who need to scan an expenses receipts, business cards, or other industry documents while out visiting clients, but we found it to be suitable for photos as well. Buyers find it small enough to fit in most bags, and it's surprisingly capable with a 10-sheet capacity and duplex scanning. It connects via USB, but if you want to scan to your phone or tablet, there's an optional Wi-Fi unit available that will allow you to do that wirelessly. Number 4 on the list is Epson Perfection V850 Pro. One of the absolute best scanners for photographs is the Epson Perfection V850. If you want high-end quality, you'll have to be prepared to shell out for it, because it is much more expensive than other models in our roundup, which makes it more suited towards professional photographers and serious amateurs who have the budget for it. It can scan up to a huge 4800 pi for general photo scanning, and you can boost it to 6400 pi to scan film negatives and slides. It even has dual lens technology built in, which automatically selects the best lens to scan with based on the image you're using. Like the cheaper Epson Perfection V600, it features digitalized tech for removing dust and scratches from old photos, and it boasts a high dynamic range so that it should perfectly match the tone and color of every print you feed to it. Number 5 on the list is Canon DRF120. If you're a Windows user and you need to scan more than photos alone, the Canon DRF120 is a great solution. It has a document feeder on the top with a 50-sheet capacity, making it ideal for office work. Underneath that, there's a flatbed scanner that's perfect for photos, so we think this scanner is a perfect jack of all trades. It offers a respectable 600 pi max scanning resolution, although those seeking highly detailed scans for professional work might need better. However, it's a solid all-rounder that'll do a good job and scan up to 20 pages per minute. Just now is a list of 5 best photo scanners that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.